Hi, I'm going to show you how in a few clicks you can change an image with a luminosity of day on an image with a luminosity of night. So for that you have to use Photoshop. I opened my image, so here is my cabin by day. I want to keep the same structure of my cabin. I don't want to generate another image of my cabin by night and take the risk to change the cabin appearance. I have already doubled my layer here, so I have the original base layer here and I simply double the layer like this. Then I will change the colorimetric information of the document. So I go to Image, Settings, and I go to Color Correspondence. Here you can see there is a scroll panel and I can choose to change the color ambient of my image. So here, for example, I'm going to start by making my contrasts more softer. So for that, I choose soft warming look. I have a preview here. If you want, you can try other settings, but I will start like that. Then I will double this layer again and I'm going to do color correspondence. And this time I'm going to choose night from day here. There you can really see the difference. So this layer here, I'm going to pass it in obscure mode. I just verified I'm on the good layer and I click here on this scroll panel and I go to obscure. I choose to put it at about 85%. Once I have that, I can create a layer on top of it, which I'm going to put in incrustation here. I'm going to choose a blue light here that we find on the edge of the house. I'm going to make it a little lighter and I'm going to come with a brush very soft. I'm going to adjust my opacity here so it's not too much fade. And I will come by strong light. I'm going to brighten certain places where the light comes and hits my cabin. Here on the little tempering and the grass, I'm going to draw the mists in the background here and the tree that is here by small touches. I can create another layer on top and this time put it in less color density here. And then with a brush a little bigger, I'm going to create a kind of mist that will create a little bit of atmosphere. I'm going to put it a little bit in the foreground like this. I see that 100% is way too strong, so I'm going to decrease it. I adjust it according to what I want. And there you go. So we have the day version and the night version. That's it. If you liked this tutorial, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. See you soon!